BSc Part 3 and respected listener. A very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students of BSc Part 3, I will deliver today the very special topic titled I have mentioned on the blackboard, important and basic features of absorption spectrum, spectrometer, which is taken from BSc Part 3, Paper 3, selected from that is of Unit 3, title as that is of spectroscopy. Once again I repeat the necessarily concept of absorption spectrometer. Dear students, in our previous lecture I have defined in the classroom this spectrometer is the device which is actually used to record the intensity or wavelength of that is of single color. In opposite side or that is of other hand, spectroscope is the device which is used to note to observe the several wavelength get together. I mean to say, dear students of BSc Part 3, I want to clear the basic fundamental in your mind about two types of the equipments which is used in spectroscopy. Spectroscope, first one, and second one that is of spectrometer. I bring to draw your kind immediate notice about the fundamental distinction between spectroscope and that is of spectrometer. Spectroscope is the device which measure the seven colors wavelength lambda get together. On the other hand, spectrometer is the device which is used to note the intensity or wavelength of single colors here. Suppose in the root of spectroscope such device is connected, such as diffraction grating or that is a prism in such a position, spectroscope now converted into that is a spectrometer. In the series of various parts, various device connected internally in spectrometer, we were defining about in detail the main functions, the theory of these various parts. Yesterday, I delivered in the classroom about the important functions, theory of light source S, in which to produce the various spectrums like NIR, FIR, visible, IR, various the production of spectrum, various kinds of light source S is used here. Today, the next part of spectrometer in which light source is connected with that is of next one too. It is also very important part, important device symbolized by that is of T, sample cell that is of T. Dear students, sample cell T, the main function of sample cell of T is that the radiations, spectrums which we are going to obtain on that is a photographic plate or that is of recorder, such solution is now we fill into that is of sample cell T, tube T, part 2, device 2. Hence, sample cell T symbolized by that is of 2 is such a device, is such a part of spectrometer in which the solution is now filled into that is of sample cell T for the production of spectrum. Dear students, now question now arises here. It is also we have to adopt some important precautions in order to prepare the solutions. Sample cell T, very sensitive part of spectrometer. I mean to say, the solution which we are going to fill in sample cell T is prepared in such a solvent which is not treated, not reacted with that is of sample cell T. Here, I have mentioned on the blackboard here, now fill solution in sample cell T to obtain spectrum. Next one postulates regarding the theory of that is of sample cell T, that is a solution is prepared in such a solution. Solution is prepared in such a solvent who doesn't react with that is of T. Dear student, very important precautions. I mean to say, the solutions in which the spectrum we are going to produce on that is of photographic plate or that is of recorder 6, we prepare such a solution. Suppose we are using here, suppose it is symbolized, it denotes, we assume here, we consider here that is of sample cell T. The solutions which we are going to produce, its spectrum, now we fill the solution into this that is of sample cell that is of T. The solution is prepared, as we know that solute and solvent to produce the solution. In other words, when solute is mixed into that is of solvent to give us that is of solution, it is essential to remember to prepare the solution. Solvent is used which doesn't react with that is of sample T. Otherwise, our that is of exact spectrum will not be produced here. Next one, that is of. Now question now arises here. Which types of the substance, metal, which kinds of the nature to have sample cell T will be used here? What is the name of that is of material? For this purpose, the sample cell T will be used here. Suppose we want to produce here, that is of visible spectrum here. Dear students, here that is of glass device will be used here. Whole sample cell T will be used in the form of that is of glass device for the production of that is of visible spectrum. In various examination, I bring to draw a immediate notice on the questions which is said in section A, in minor questions, what are the name of the substances for the purpose or for the production of spectrum. Sample cell T is used here. Here that is of for the production of visible spectrum. Glass device will be used here for the production of ultraviolet light. Quartz tube will be used here, and that is of suppose we want to produce here IR spectrum. Dear student, mixed halide alkaline halides like NaCl, KBr will be used here. Except these, suppose we are using here for the preparation of sample cell T, exact or required spectrum will not be produced on our recorder. So it becomes essential the exact sample cell T, the substance which is beneficial, which is present in favorable condition for the production of that is of various kinds of the spectrum here. Suppose we are using here various close types of the material sample cell T. I mean to say exact spectrum will not be produced on photographic plate here. Once again I repeat, the necessarily material which will be used, the sample cell T is made for that is of for visible spectrum. Glass device, whole that is of glass device will be used here. Similarly, for the production of we want to obtain ultraviolet that is of spectrum in such a position. Dear students, quartz tube or quartz device will be used. The sample cell T is made for, that is of quartz tube. In the case of that is of IR spectrum, in such a position that is of sample cell T is made for, that is of mixed halide. I have mentioned on the blackboard here that is of NaCl and that is of KBr mixed halide. Dear students, sample cell T2 is now further connected to that is the monochromator M. Tomorrow I will deliver on its next part, monochromator that is of 3 symbolized by that is of M, its main function, its utility in that is of spectrometer. Thank you very much.